How to update Huobi app to the latest version. First of all, open the Play Store on your device. Once it's open, tap on the source icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. In the source bar, type Huobi or STX and wait for the source results to appear. Next, look for the official STX Buy Crypto and Bitcoin app developed by Huobi and tap on it to go to its details page. If an update button appears instead of open, tap it to start downloading the latest version of the app. If you don't see the update button, it means your app is already up to date. Once the update is complete, tap open to launch the Huobi app. The updated version will include the latest features, design improvement, and performance enhancement to help you trade securely and efficiently. Now you know how to update the Huobi app to the latest version. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.